In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section in Asana. The most reliable way to mirror the contents or structure of a section is to duplicate a task that lives in that section, carry over the details you need, and then place the copy where it belongs. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and options so you can confidently create consistent, reusable work in just a few moments. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. From the left sidebar, choose My Tasks. This gives you a familiar workspace and quick access to recent projects. If the task you want to copy sits inside a specific project section, you can navigate to that project from here as well. Locate the task you want to duplicate. Pick one that best represents the structure you want to reuse, especially if it includes subtasks, a detailed description, or custom fields that you need to carry over. When you found it, right-click the task to open the context menu. You can also use the three-dot menu on the task if you prefer. Select Duplicate Task. A setup window will appear so you can name the new task and choose exactly what gets copied. Give the task a clear descriptive name. A helpful pattern is to add words like template, copy, or the target section name, so it's obvious what this duplicate is for and where it should go next. Next, review the include options. This is where you decide which elements to bring along. Typically, you'll see choices like description, subtasks, assignee, due dates, attachments, custom fields, tags, and followers. Only check what you truly need. For example, keep the description and subtasks if they form your repeatable process, but consider leaving assignee and due dates unchecked to avoid notifying the wrong people or creating schedule conflicts. If you choose to include the task description, glance through it for any references that need to be updated after duplication, such as links, milestones, or metrics. If you're including the assignee or other collaborator fields, think about whether those should be reset so you don't ping teammates prematurely. When everything looks right, click Create New Task. Asana will generate the duplicate with the options you selected. Open the new task, move it into the correct project and section if needed, and make quick edits to dates, owners, and any section-specific details. If you're duplicating multiple items to rebuild an entire section layout, repeat this process for each key task so the structure remains consistent. That's it. Your section-ready duplicate is created, clean, and ready to use.